One Biafra Black Mârine commander don come outside though for this video wey I go show you now. No be small thing. E don come talk say that as e don be now, they dey full ready to take over the seaside, the water side of Biafra territory wey dey for Bakassi Peninsula. No be small thing o. If you see wetin this guy talk for mouth, you go sef you go bow. He say as him be now, they don already take over that area. Una know say for inside last week they give information say they buy 5 Cameroonian and Nigeria soldier for inside that area. No be small thing, my people, and let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. But as that one dey happen, now Okwuluora then come outside. He say so many people they offer to give am money so that he go come out outside. They talk about, I guess, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Okwuluora don vow say he no go everly condemn Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu is doing a great thing for Ndi Igbo. No be small thing, my wonderful people. Let's go and find out how this thing dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebenye still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, please share this video because these days our fans they know they share video again. I don't know why una no dey share the video. Share this video and make sure say the people, because the more you share the video and the more the people get the information and know wetin dey happen. So share the video. Okay, my wonderful people, let's quickly jump into the matter we will get for our hand today. They say that Biafra Mârine wey dey operate for inside the place wey they call Bakassi Peninsula. No be small thing o. He say they don't come outside this time around. He say they don't take fully charge of the water area, and they are there. They wait for Cameroonian soldiers and Nigerian soldiers make them come, but they never see anybody. No be me go talk this one with my own mouth, but however, let me play the video for you to watch, and before we go come back and proceed.
Yeah, good evening from here from Bakassi Peninsula. This Igwe Papa Kunatakasi. We have been here in Akon, waiting for those who said that we are not going to be free. For those bamboo, those Janja witch that said that we are not going to be free. We give this message to the Republic of Cameroon. We want to tell them that we are the one who owns the land. We own the land. Those are my boys coming up over there. As you can see them, they are coming over there. We own the land. As I tell you, we own the land. This land was be decimated. All liberation forces, all Biafran Navy, we surround the land. We're gonna make it possible for Biafrans to breathe and cultivate in the land. The land of the rising sun belongs to Biafra. All thanks to Mazi Simon Ekpa. All thanks to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But they want to assure you people something. The time has come for us to dance the Sorogana dance. Here we are operating from here, but very soon everything gonna be fine.
Yeah, my people, shebi you don't hear am as he take talk am. He say name na Akunatakasi. No be small thing, no, my people. I beg me, let us know your opinion for inside comment section for waiting talk. And also let's jump into the next Ogbonge news we will get for our hand today. Our brother, whether they call Okwuluora, I believe say una know am very well. Okwuluora don't come outside the talk. Say some people, our brothers where they live for America, where they live for UK. Some don't come outside. We no like wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they do. Say make him come talk about them. Say you know you want that is more Okwuluora come outside. Come they talk bad about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But Okwuluora don't come outside. Say he no go fit do am and he no go talk bad about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, let me play this video and for you to watch, and before we come back, come proceed.
That some of our people, many of our people are evil, the best for you. People are calling me from America, from UK, from Germany. That I should start criticizing Chineke, a man who did nothing to me, a man who is thriving, a man who is facing wars, battle from every corner of this life. For me to have electricity, for me to have life, for me to live with purpose, for me to have basic amenities. They are telling me, Okwuluora I Am Ɓeing, this guy is jobless. This guy is a scammer. This guy is a fool. You need to criticize him. I say you have Twitter account, you have Instagram account, you have Facebook account. You couldn't, because you have no point. You are baseless, you are irresponsible, you are evil. You went to Okwuluora I Am Ɓeing. Kambanya live broadcast, I don't know where we go from here. Ozemina wansube kule egwu oge Oliver dike okenwo. Ozemina wansube si na ndị Igbo ada echekwa ifefa nwe echekwa. Ayaka nsube. May he so rest in peace. Oge Oliver aka na-etenwo. Oliver dike okwe. Ozemina wansube si na problem Igbo nwe. Bụ na Igbo ada echekwa ife ha nwe echekwa. And ọ bụ na ichekwara ife nwere echekwa. Ife ahụ ko you are going to suffer. Oliver Kumaka Ada Maria Jos. Ọ ka na-akụrụ ndị befe egwu. Ebenezer Obe can akụrụ ndị befe egwu. Okwuoma ka nwata Shata Maria Jos, whoever he is. Ọ ka na-akụrụ ndị befe egwu. Mana ndị Igbo echekwa Oliver dike okwe echekwa, and they are suffering today. Ndị Igbo chekwa nọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu echekwa. Igbo people chekwa nọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu echekwa. Abụrụ m onye IPOB. Abụ m a Biafran. I'm not a registered IPOB member. I still need to tell you the truth. Whether you are a governor, a senator, you are sending your agents, and you need to know, this is why some people who are pro-Biafra, tomorrow, you see them talking nonsense. They have been offered a lot of money, either money or threats. Some of them were threatening, some of them were giving money. I have been offered millions of naira. I am Okwuluora I Am Ɓeing. If I'm lying to you, may I not see tomorrow? I have been offered millions of naira to talk against Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. I said no. Why would I do that? I said to them, mentioning me Okwuluora I Am Ɓeing in the same book with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is glorious. It's an achievement for me. Not to talk of mentioning me and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu in the same page, in the same paragraph, in the same line, in the same sentence. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, is a human being. Also, Chukwu bụ onye na-adịghị agbanwe. Also, Chukwu bụ onye adịghị emeghe. Also, Chukwu bụ unmistakable, unshakable. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. Ọ bụ onye Abia State. Nwa Igwe Israel Kanu. Oh, Madam Olia. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is bound to make mistakes. Let me tell you some leaders in the world. Jacques Chirac. You talk about Hugo Chavez and Raúl Castro, Fidel Castro. You talk about Nicolas Sarkozy, Angela Merkel. You talk about Gordon Brown, David Cameron, all of them. These are world leaders with billions of dollars accessible to them for intelligence, for advisors, technological advisors, human advisors. That's why the resources made available to them. These people make poor policies. They make mistakes on a daily basis. Some of you criticizing the approaches, the works, the sacrifices, the efforts of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have never, ever contributed 1 naira pin.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Shebi, I don't hear them. This is not the message where our brother, where they call Okwuluora, don't send. Give those where they call them, or those where they tell them to make they come outside, come talk about against Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Only thing one I go know for this matter now, Nnamdi Kanu remain the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. And millions of people followed Nnamdi Kanu today. So no one can change this. Anything you like, you do. No one can change that from being existing. So Maazị Nnamdi Kanu must be released is our prayer. And Ali Igbo is going to be good again. So for those of una wey be say una use this struggle, go dey do things wey no good. Prepare, your time is coming very, very soon. Because I say evil can never hide forever, but the good shall always reign. My people, please share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as it dey hot. For inside this matter, let us know what you think for inside comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, say we dey for TikTok, because we dey get information say some people they use our videos for inside TikTok. So most of our followers don't come, they ask me whether now we still get the account. I say no, that account don't belong to us. So our own account have our logo on it, which is Balabas Gist. So try to also follow us on TikTok as well. We will quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. Make sure say you share the video